Look at these birds on the bird feeder. These are the sparrows. And
Also called finches.
also called
And
finches.
while feeding, the feed drops to the ground. And then you have an entourage of birds sitting on the ground and feasting on the fallen seeds. So here they are on the ground. You see them? Here they are on the ground.
So many.
I mean, they are, and of course, while we are showing you the birds,
There are some doggies.
yeah, look at our neighbors walking their dogs. Lovely dogs. And here are the birds feasting on the ground. And then you have one lone bird right here, trying to eat from the bird feeder.
Yeah. Look at that. Two of them still sitting there. Contemplating to eat or not to eat. That is the question. Another one. There. Look at that.